Oldsmobile.
So Tatro's checking in with Jill. She's the starter judge.
Miles an hour.
Starter.
That's the
person.
C American Iron Roadster.
Make sure he has all the
pretty respectable.
right gear on.
62.
He's already been checked out for safety gear.
62.092 for car number.
He's been checked out for his safety gear. This is this don't happen very often, so kind of exciting. He didn't blow it up before we got to the line, which has happened a long time ago, but it happened before. Although he said his starter button's acting up, let's hope it's not going to be a problem. I do believe this motorcycle to our right is going to go first, though. And the person in yellow is Helen, who's married to Van. We call her Van Helen, or them Van Helen. Helen. So I guess they're deciding who goes first. Alright, we'll come back in a sec.
This is our tow car. About to hop and go down. Kevin's about to go. I'm going to get on my bicycle and follow him. The timing slip starts later. I see him a little bit and not on the camera. All I'm seeing is dust.
Oh my God, he's there to call me every night.
About the leathers.
131. He wanted 140 something. Good. Oh, what's
right where the top, I'm at right where the mountain